What's up guys, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be so today's video is gonna be a get ready with me, a chit chat video and also a Q&A video. So thank you so much guys for 100 subscribers. It really means a lot for me and I really did not even think about getting 100 subscribers.
And before 6 months, I was like, oh my god, my channel is not gonna grow, but it is actually growing. So I really appreciate each and every person who is actually subscribing to my channel and giving them precious time to watch my one single video, which is of about 10 to 15 minutes. And guys,
ta-da! So I recently had a haircut and in my before video I already told that I'm going to reveal my face with a new haircut and I finally revealed, and half of my friends actually know that I had a haircut because actually I went to school, but also I wanted to show you guys the whole face of mine and the story of me cutting my hair.
so this video is gonna be a lot because I am the person who actually loves to speak in the camera. So yeah.
So without any further ado, make sure you like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll get all the notifications when I'm posting the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the reason I had a haircut was because I just wanted to get rid of my big hair, which was actually itna. Actually the reason it came this small is even I did not expect that it's gonna come so small. I actually wanted my hair up to here, but by the time I did a V cut, it actually became small, but it's actually suiting me. And guys, comment down below how am I actually looking. How many times did I tell actually? Yeah, so today's video is gonna be a jumbled video. So and guys, number of my subscribers were actually requesting for a jewelry tour and my makeup routine and all. And guys, trust me, I am not a person who actually applies makeup every day while I'm shooting a video. Like if I'm shooting a study vlog, I absolutely not. But if I'm shooting some challenges also, I actually don't apply makeup. It's like my natural face. But also like whenever I go out, I apply makeup for looking good. So I thought why not share with you guys how I actually do my makeup. And one thing is note that the people who are actually very curious about knowing, go grab all your makeup items and I will be waiting for you. And I know half of my subscribers are really lazy, but okay, cool down. It's need not for you guys to go and get your items to do makeup. If you are very curious of learning the makeup with me, then go get it. I will be waiting. And guys, I know that you all are getting scared seeing my weird face. I really look very bad. And guys, I'm so sorry for the quality of my video. I don't know what's happening to my camera today, but yeah. So let's start. Okay, so guys, I will be answering some of your questions also while I'm doing my makeup. So the very first thing I'm gonna obviously use is this moisturizer. So I'm using this Lakme moisturizer. It's a peach milk, and guys, if I will find the links of them, I'll surely give them in the description below. So if I'm not finding, I'm so sorry for that. But yeah, I'll obviously have to remove my specs. I look really weird without my specs, but yeah. I don't have a mirror also, so this camera is helping me with the moisturizer. Guys, I'm so sorry if this video is gonna go long.
Okay.
I will try fast forwarding, chalo. If you actually do your makeup, make sure you put moisturizer at any kind of face cream. I'm not particularly telling you guys to choose only one product that is Lakme, but you can use any kind of cream which is actually suiting your face. The next thing I'm gonna use here is foundation. Guys, I've shown mostly all of my products in my makeup collection, what's in my vanity box, and this is a MAC foundation. It's like of MAC Studio. It's in face and body foundation. So I'm gonna apply a bit. And guys, I'm so sorry, I'm not finding my blender, so I'm using this one. But yeah, ये भी चलता है. And guys, don't actually.
my makeup baby, but according to famous YouTubers, it's actually important, but not like anyone tell us.
And guys, I already told you that I'm gonna answer to your questions. So I actually have in my tablet. So who is your favorite actress? My favorite actress is many, but if I'm gonna talk about Hindi, I'm gonna tell Deepika Padukone, Shilpa Shetty, many people. Thank God that I have short hair, or else I would dye my hair. And guys, I'm so sorry for showing my dark circles because I'm a night person. I usually stay late at nights. So my I'm actually यार मेरे
dark circles दिख रहे हैं यार. 2000 इतना दूर से मैंने वीडियो निकाला. Fine.
I have already applied my what is this foundation, and let's go to apply a bit of concealer because I have like really bad dark circles. So I'm using a concealer of Swiss Beauty. It's like really good brand. The most it's like not only particularly one brand I use, but I have like number of brands I usually use. So particularly if I would say Lakme, Swiss Beauty and all. Recently I lost all my all my brushes. There were so many, but like I seriously lost them somewhere. They were really so expensive, guys.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
But yeah. Lol, I'm not even answering your questions. So what's your most favorite app? My most favorite app can be Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, many more. Pinterest. Most I usually use Insta, YouTube and Pinterest and Snapchat. Other apps, I have to look into it. And yeah, I finally applied my concealer. It looks so weird. So right now I'm gonna apply a bit of compact. Like yeah. This is like a normal I don't even know its brand, but yeah. Are you on Twitter? No, I'm not on Twitter. I don't have an account of Twitter. My father has, but I don't even open my father's Twitter account. But yeah, I don't have a Twitter account. When are you posting the next video? And it is gonna come almost like in a day or two, because I was like in I had my exams. I had like number of classes going on from past 1 week, so I did not have proper time to prepare a video because I was totally confused to make a thanking video or like this chit chat video, or shall I make a study vlog. So I was like so sorry, that is why, but it will be surely coming in a day or two. The next question is which class you are in? I am actually 9th grade. Oreo!
I couldn't complete that answer, but I am in 9th grade and I have never peed in pool.
So right now I'm gonna apply a bit of kajal. It's of it's of Lakme, and I will have to get my camera here. Cameraman. Yeah. So I'm so sorry that I'm coming in front of you, but yeah. Guys, what type of video do you actually want? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm done. Actually really good. I actually really look good when I apply kajal, and actually there is no difference even after I'm applying my makeup because my color is only fair. What do I even do for that? But shall I apply an eyeliner or not? Actually guys, I have I have this one, but I don't like applying them, so I'm gonna apply this a bit, not much. Lol, I'm not gonna make you get scared. I actually kept it really bold because it looks good when I do that. I don't actually look good if I have a thin one. So next, obviously, I'm gonna apply a bit of lipstick, and obviously, absolutely, my makeup is done. It's like really simple, but yeah. I have this matte lipstick, but I'm never gonna apply that because
it's really really dark.
So I'm gonna apply obviously a good one. I bought it from Amazon. I'll try linking it down in the description below. So that's it. I'm not gonna apply it more because I don't want to look that specifically. I applied makeup, so it's like absolutely done. I just wanted to apply a bit of lip liner. I already linked this in the description below. Okay, so guys, this is my final look. This is like a daily routine of mine when I apply makeup. But I'm due to this lockdown, I'm not going anywhere. If I would have gone to school a bit, I would do a bit of makeup and go. In a sense, it's not even makeup; it's just a daily care of my face. Now, I did not actually, when I was doing my makeup, I did not actually read all your questions and I answered them. So now I'm gonna answer all of them. So yeah. And are you a foodie? Yes, I am a foodie. It's not like I eat everything, but yeah, I'm like favorite one. So simple. Yes, I'm foodie. The questions are your age. My age is actually 13. And the school, I actually am in Bhavan Shri Ramakrishna Vidyalaya, Sainikpuri, Hyderabad. Standard, I am in 9th standard. Your favorite color is black, purple, pastel colors and all. And your inspiration, my inspiration is Pragati Shreya, guys. After I upload this video, guys, start tagging her how much you can so that she can see my video. And next color is your birthday. My birthday is in the month of April, on 10th of April 2008. And your favorite song, my favorite songs are like number of them, but if I have to particularly choose one, I would choose Butter, Go Stream Butter, guys, and Permission to Dance, because we don't need permission to dance, we don't need permission to dance. Oh, sorry guys, I was like gone crazy. Okay. Your favorite destination is South Korea, Seoul. Favorite YouTuber, I have number of favorite YouTubers, but particularly I would choose Pragati Shreya, Remora Vlogs, Ria's Amazing World, Ria's Vlog. Particularly choose Pragati Shreya's videos because they actually really motivate me. Well, like seeing her videos, I actually get motivated to make study vlogs. The next is siblings. Yes, I have a sibling. I have one sibling, that is my elder brother. Yes, I have number of best friends, but I would choose only particularly two, Faria and Parnika. I'm like, they are really best friends of mine. Yeah. And which city? I actually live in Hyderabad. I don't actually want to reveal the particular place I live. I guess I already revealed a number of my videos, so yeah. So okay, so this is gonna be actually the end of the comments question and answer. I'm really sorry if I have not actually chosen your comment, but I tried my best to answer. I actually did not answer much, but I'm surely gonna make a separate video of this Q&A because this video is gonna be really long, so I don't want it to make your time waste. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If yes, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I guess you have liked my makeup. Yeah guys, so I'm really being really demotivated. हाँ गाइज, हाँ मैं कितनी अच्छी दिख रही हूँ. हाँ गाइज, मैं और एक हॉल बनाने वाली हूँ. If I'm gonna buy कपड़े, and I'm gonna meet you guys next week. Bye guys. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Bye guys.